guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing some black bean. So I'm going to be using this black bean and rice, my parboiled rice that I'll be using. Let's get into it. I'll be using 3 cups of water. Let's measure it off. Voila. Alright, to that we're going to be adding some garlic, salt, stir, and this goes on the fire. Let's go.